Welcome back to the Privatized Banking Project. Have you ever wondered how economic theory could actually help you manage your money better? What if the key to long-term financial clarity came from ideas that challenge mainstream thinking? Today, we're diving into how Austrian economics, yes, that niche school of thought often overlooked in personal finance, can radically reshape your approach to budgeting and financial decision making. First, what exactly is Austrian economics, and why should it matter to your wallet? Originating in the late 19th century with thinkers like Karl Menger, Ludwig von Mises, and later Murray Rothbard, Austrian economics is built on a simple but powerful premises. Individuals, not governments or institutions, are the true drivers of economic activity. It prioritizes human action, free markets, subjective value, and time preference. While these may sound academic, they hold profound implications for how you build a budget that works for you, not just for a spreadsheet. Second, let's talk about subjective value, one of the core tenets of Austrian thinking. Unlike traditional budgeting methods that box people into fixed percentages or spending categories, Austrian economics recognizes that value is personal. That morning coffee might be frivolous to one person, but essential to another's productivity. Instead of judging your expenses based on societal norms, you should start your budget by identifying what you actually value most. Want to allocate for more self-education or business growth and less to lifestyle inflation? That's rational under Austrian logic, because only you can assign value to your trade-offs. Third, every dollar you spend represents an opportunity cost. That's not just a financial buzzword, it's a philosophical concept. Austrian economists emphasize that resources are scarce and trade-offs are real. Every time you swipe your card, you're giving up another potential use of that money. Investing it, saving it, or spending it more meaningfully later. Budgeting through this lens forces you to ask, what am I not doing by making this choice? That's a powerful filter for cutting unnecessary spending and making decisions you won't regret in 6 months. Fourth, time preference is a game changer. One of the most profound ideas in Austrian economics is how individuals value consumption now versus later. High time preference means you want rewards now. Low time preference means you're willing to delay gratification for something greater. This plays directly into personal budgeting. Are you prioritizing short-term comfort over long-term security? Are you spending money today that could serve your future better through investment or debt reduction? Shifting towards a lower time preference is one of the most powerful financial changes you can make, and it starts by rethinking your budget. Fifth, let's address the elephant in the room: debt and inflation. Austrian economists are highly critical of easy credit and artificial money supply expansion. Why? Because they distort real value and create false signals about wealth. When you borrow recklessly or rely on credit to finance your lifestyle, you're often making decisions based on short-term illusions rather than long-term sustainability. In practical terms, this means building a budget that leans towards saving, cash flow, and resilience, not dependency on revolving credit or inflated income projections. If you've ever felt like you're running on a treadmill with your money, Austrian economics can help explain why and how to step off. Sixth, Austrian economics helps you budget with real money in mind, not fiat money that loses value each year, but money as a store of time, labor, and future potential. This is why many Austrian economists support sound money principles, like gold or Bitcoin. While you don't need to overhaul your entire financial system overnight, this perspective encourages budgeting with a sense of preservation. Saving isn't just deferred spending. It's protecting your purchasing power against an unpredictable system. Seventh, it all comes down to intentionality. Austrian economics puts the individual at the center of every decision, and in your personal budget. That means designing a system that reflects your unique values, preferences, and goals, not what some influencer, app, or algorithm suggests. It's about rejecting one-size-fits-all advice and creating a personalized framework where every dollar has a purpose. So how do you apply this in real life? Start by listing out your top 5 financial values, whether that's freedom, stability, growth, giving, or education. Then build your budget around those pillars. Use the principle of opportunity cost to examine your biggest expenses. Are they aligned with your values? Revisit your budget monthly to recalibrate, not just the numbers, but your intentions. And most importantly, keep lowering your time preference by building habits that build delayed gratification, like automatic investing, emergency fund contributions, and skill development. If this video helped you see budgeting through a whole new lens, give it a like and share it with someone who's tired of cookie cutter financial advice. Comment below, what part of Austrian thinking will you apply to your next budget? And don't forget to subscribe, because here at the Privatized Banking Project, we're building real financial freedom, one timeless idea at a time.